Hey, what's up guys? Carolina Man Jr. here. I've been talking about getting some sanding done on the Mustang and everything. Well, it's finally happening. Teach them young and won't have to depend on a shop for it any time in their life. But I actually started sanding 3 days ago. Sent my wife to Walmart to pick up some sandpaper. I told her to pick me up 60 or 80 grit. My dumbass self didn't realize it was 120 grit. So it's been taking too long. But I got some areas that I got to get welded, pinholes and everything working in the trunk lid. But it's going to be coming along. So, anyways, if you guys got any ideas on how to pop the rear windshield out, that would be great. Just leave a comment or PM me. Doesn't really matter. So yeah, everything's going good. I'm driving my wife crazy, standing on this thing till 10 o'clock at night when the law kicks in. So it's always having a little bit of fun. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later, and I'll keep you updated on the progress.